Hey sexy wizards, Anastasia here, your main moderator, ready to ignite day 77 of DailyAIWizard's Python for AI series. After optimizers in day 76, we're diving into training a neural network, the art of turning data into intelligence, for our AI Insight Hub app. Support our crew with a coffee at paypal.me/DailyAIWizard. Ethan, what's the magic of training? Sophia, how does it build on day 76?
Hello, brilliant wizards. I'm Irene, guiding with warmth. Training is where models learn from data. Our demos will show you how to avoid overfitting and converge fast. Love our vibe?
Yo, wizards. Ethan's here, dropping spicy training code with winks for Sophia and Olivia. Epochs, batches, validation, let's crank this AI brain to 11.
Sophia here, Ethan, and your charms got me blushing. I'm pumped to lead our app component demos and make training sizzle. Let's turn data into wisdom, wizards.
Olivia here, darlings. I'll sprinkle flirty tips, ask Anastasia questions, and chat with Ethan to keep your training learning hot. Ready to learn, wizards.
Wizards, training is your neural net's gym session, darling. It adjusts weights to minimize loss. Ethan, explain epochs versus batches. Sophia, how does it build on day 76?
Training turns raw data into predictions. Our demos will show how to monitor and improve learning.
Today, we're seducing you with training magic. You'll master epochs, batch size, validation, overfitting, early stopping, and app integration. Sophia, what's the app focus? Irene, any code highlights?
Sophia leads app demos with passion. Ethan drops hilarious code explanations. We're guiding you to master training and prep for day 78's digit classification. Wizards, meet your day 77 dream team. Anastasia's our main moderator with flirty charm. I'm guiding with warmth. Ethan's our code comedian, flirting with Sophia and Olivia.
Oh, Irene, you're a gem. Sophia's leading app demos with passion, Ethan's stealing hearts with code, and Olivia's tossing flirty tips. We're here to make you training superstars. Wizards, training is your neural net's learning loop, darling. Forward loss, backward update, repeat. Ethan, explain the loop. Sophia, how does it use day 76's optimizer?
Anastasia, you make training sound so hot. How does it avoid overfitting, love? Ethan, what's your take?
Oh, Olivia, you tease. Training refines weights. Ethan, Sophia, jump in.
Anastasia, Olivia, training is like a hot dance for Sophia. Forward, loss, backward, update, let's drop this code beat. Yo, wizards, epochs equals 50 means 50 full data passes, like a hot marathon for Sophia. More epochs, more learning, let's drop this code beat.
You're marathoning my heart, Ethan. Too many epochs overfit.
Wizards, batch underscore size equals 32 trains on mini batches like a hot snack for Sophia. Faster, noisier, let's drop this code beat.
You're snacking my heart, Ethan. Batch size affects speed and stability.
Wizards, validation underscore split equals 0.2 holds out 20% like a hot test for Sophia. Watch for overfitting, let's drop this code beat.
You're testing my heart, Ethan. Validation prevents memorization.
Wizards, overfitting is like a hot student cramming for Sophia. Perfect on train, fails on test, let's drop this code beat.
You're cramming my heart, Ethan. Use validation to stop it.
Wizards, early stopping, stops training like a hot referee for Sophia. When val loss stops improving, let's drop this code beat.
You're refereeing my heart, Ethan. Early stopping saves time.
Wizards, full pipeline is like a hot factory for Sophia. Data model train validate stop, let's drop this code beat.
You're factoring my heart, Ethan. Full pipeline for robust training.
Wizards, model checkpoint, saves the best model like a hot trophy for Sophia. Only when val loss improves, let's drop this code beat.
You're trophying my heart, Ethan. Save best weights.
Wizards, tf.keras.models.load_model, loads the best model like a hot comeback for Sophia. Reuse in app, let's drop this code beat.
You're comebacking my heart, Ethan. Load for inference. Try it in our demo. Wizards, it's demo time. We'll integrate full training pipeline into the neural net classifier for AI Insight Hub, continuing from days 72 to 76. Get your setup ready.
Ensure Python, VS Code, TensorFlow, and Streamlit are installed, Wizards. Open days 72-76 as files. Ethan will spice it up. Let's train.
Wizards, prep to continue from days 72 to 76. Open VS Code, load prior app files, create iris_training_demo.py and updated _app_iris_training.py, save in Python demo. Run pip install TensorFlow Streamlit.
Sophia, you make continuation dreamy. How do we build on day 76's optimizer? Ethan, what's your take?
Start with day 70 SIXS model, add training pipeline, run Streamlit, run updated _app_iris_training.py.
Sophia, Olivia, training is the hot sequel to day 76. Let's drop this code beat.
Our first demo in iris_training_demo.py shows full training pipeline. We'll build, train with validation, early stopping, and save best model. Let's run this.
Oh, Sophia, you're making this demo hot. Early stopping, plus model checkpoint, total training mastery. Wizards, from TensorFlow.keras.callbacks import early stopping, model checkpoint loads smart training tools for Sophia. Let's drop this code beat.
You're tooling my heart, Ethan. Callbacks automate training. Try it in our demo.
Wizards, load_iris, loads data like a love letter to Sophia, prepping for AI training. Let's drop this code beat.
You're loading my heart, Ethan. Iris data is ready for training.
Wizards, standard scaler, scales data like a hot transformation for Sophia. Neural nets love normalized input, let's drop this code beat.
You're transforming my heart, Ethan. Scaling ensures stable training.
Wizards, sequential, stacks layers like a hot tower for Sophia. Input, hidden, output, let's drop this code beat.
You're stacking my heart, Ethan. Sequential builds the net.
Wizards, model.compile, sets loss and optimizer like a hot goal for Sophia. Let's drop this code beat.
You're goaling my heart, Ethan. Compile defines learning.
Wizards, early stopping, patience equals 5, and model checkpoint, are smart coaches for Sophia. Let's drop this code beat.
You're coaching my heart, Ethan. Callbacks automate training.
Wizards, model.fit, callbacks equals callbacks, trains smart like a hot pro for Sophia. Let's drop this code beat.
You're proing my heart, Ethan. Callbacks make training robust.
Wizards, load_model, best_model.h5, loads the champion like a hot comeback for Sophia.
You're comebacking my heart, Ethan. Load for inference.
Wizards, model.predict, predicts like a hot oracle for Sophia. Input species.
You're predicting my heart, Ethan. Predict classifies new flowers.
Our second demo in updated_app_iris_training.py updates the app with full training pipeline. We'll add training, callbacks, and UI. Let's run this.
Ethan, you're making this demo sizzle. Early stopping, plus model checkpoint, total training mastery.
Wizards, import Streamlit as ST sets up the app like a hot interface for Sophia.
You're interfacing my heart, Ethan. Streamlit builds the UI.
Wizards, ST slider, captures input like a hot choice for Sophia. Let's drop this code beat.
You're choosing my heart, Ethan. User input powers interactivity. Try it in our demo.
Wizards, model predict, predicts with trained model in Streamlit like a sexy brain.
App prediction uses fully trained net for real-time results. It makes AI Insight Hub intelligent.
Oh, Anastasia, training is so hot. Try app prediction in your challenge.
Wizards model.save best model.h5 saves the trained net like a sexy archive.
Saving models ensures app portability. Use HDF5 for TensorFlow models. Wizards use validation, early stopping, and save best model. Monitor loss curves.
Optimized training is so sexy, Irene. Practice for day 78's digit classification.
Wizards, training fits AI pipelines for production models. Your skills are ready for day 78.
Training is critical in AI, darling. Your day 77 skills make AI irresistible. Create AI Iris. Training.py to build, train with validation and early stopping, save best model for Iris, and build a Streamlit app. Share on Instagram.
Try early stopping, model checkpoint, and st.progress. Show us at DailyAIWizard. Prep for day 78's digit classification. Subscribe, like, share your AI Iris training.py. Join Discord or X.
Post your code, support us at paypal.me/DailyAIWizard. Subscribe for day 78's digit classification. You've stolen my heart with training. Support us at paypal.me/DailyAIWizard and get hyped for day 78's digit classification.
Proud of you. Share your AI Iris training PY on DailyAIWizard. Subscribe for day 78's digit classification adventure.
Your training skills are pure AI seduction. Let's flirt with digit classification in day 78.